Retail vouchers can be used as a payment type, so the owner of the voucher can use them to purchase various goods and services. The most common ones are gift vouchers and credit vouchers. Gift vouchers are mostly being sold to customers, while credit vouchers are being issued as refund in return sale or refund for not completely used gift voucher. To issue a gift voucher, open the POS and click on Retail Gift Voucher menu, then to issue voucher General. Choose a gift voucher and enter quantity dialog box will appear. Enter 1 and click OK. When the Enter Amount dialog box appears, enter 6,000. Click OK. Gift voucher appears in the POS sales line with reference number and amount of 6,000. Click Go to Payment, choose Cash Payment, and click OK. The sale is finished and the gift voucher is issued. You can also issue credit vouchers as a refund in return sale. Click on Other Functions, Return Sales, Cash Sales Reverse, and enter the receipt number. The item from the initial sale will appear in the POS sales line in a negative amount. Click on Go to Payment. Now click on Issue Credit Voucher and again on Issue Credit Voucher in the next menu. Here you can enter the desired amount. The amount of $1,920, the amount of the initial sale, is populated by default. It is possible to change the amount of the credit voucher and choose another refund payment method for the remaining amount. Click OK, and the return sale is finished and credit voucher is issued.